dito sa 3.17, ang ipapagawa sa atin is that we will write statements using the constant qualifier to create named constants for the following literal values. So, given na yung values dun sa book. So, itong nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen is, ito yung nagawa ko na constants that can be used in C++ code to represent these specific values throughout the program para ma-ensure yung consistency and yung clarity. So first, I'm going to explain this one. Sa C++, ang const qualifier is used to define constants, which are values that cannot be changed throughout the program execution. When we declare variable as constant, you are essentially saying that yung value na yun is fixed at hindi na siya pwedeng i-modify. So, yung mga, like for example, const double Euler number is equal to 2.71828. So, dito, yung Euler number is declared as constant type of double with the value of 2.71828 na which yun yung nagre-represents ng Euler's number in mathematics. So, yung const double minutes in year which is equal to 5.256E5, itong statement na to, nagde-declare siya ng minutes in a year as a constant of type double with the value 5.256E5, which represents the number of minutes in a year. So, same lang din siya sa lahat. Then, by using yung same lang din siya lahat hanggang dun sa const meter in miles, so 1609. So, by using constant as represents our constant variable, itong values na to are protected from accidental modification and their names provide clear. So, mas meaningful ang presentations of the associate literal values throughout the code natin. So kaya importante talaga itong const na to define our constant value. So, dito naman sa ating 3.18, ang ipinapagawa sa atin is that we were going to write the hashtag define directives for the literal values listed doon sa question 3.17 natin. So, as you can see in my screen, makikita nyo dito na hashtag define Euler number, hashtag define minutes in a year, hashtag define gravitational acceleration feet, hashtag define gravitational acceleration meters, and hashtag define meters in mile. So, as we all know, or para sa knowledge ng iba, base sa mga nabasa ko, sa C++, ang hashtag define is a processor directive that allows you to define macros, which are essentially symbolic names representing certain values. Excuse me. These directives are processed by the processor before actual compilation, and any occurrence of the macro name in the code is replaced with its associated values. So, paano nga ito? So, i-break down natin yung hashtag define directive. So, for the Euler, hashtag define Euler, itong directive defines the Euler as a symbolic constant with value, which is yung value niya, and anytime Euler number appears in the code, it will be replaced with yung value niya na 2.71828. So, sa hashtag define minutes in a year, 5.256E5, itong minutes in a year is defined as the symbolic constant with a value representing the number of minutes in a year. So, same lang din siya hanggang dun sa hashtag define meters in mile 1609. Finally, meters in mile is defined as a symbolic constant with value 1609 na nagre-represent ng numbers of meters in a mile. So, these hashtag define directives, it helps us to improve code readability and maintainability by providing meaningful names for literal values and avoiding magic numbers such as yung mga hard-coded numeric values. So, additionally, itong hashtag define, they offer a centralized way to manage and update these values if it is necessary. So, dito sa 3.19 natin is that given na yung code natin, which is yung nakikita nyo sa screen, so ang hinihingi lang dito is aalamin natin kung ano yung magiging display program nitong code na to. So, if we're going to run this code in a C++ compiler, this will be the output of this code. So, the explanation behind this code is that itong program na to, nag-start tayo by including the necessary header file, which is yung IO stream for input and output operations. It then defines several string constants gaya ng paggamit natin ng hashtag define. So, these constants are used for displaying greetings, messages, questions, and results. Itong constant na to na per jar is defined with a value of 1,860, representing the number of candy pieces in each jar. It is declared as constant because its value does not change during the program execution. So in the main function variables, jars, pieces, and commissions are declared. So sa program na ito, ang outputs the greetings messages using cout. Itong code na to, it prompts the users with the question, how many jars of candy have you sold, and reads the input into the variable jars and cin. Then, it calculates the total number of pieces sold by multiplying the number of jars by the constant per jar. So, the total number of pieces sold is then outputted. And it calculates the commission earned by multiplying the total number of pieces sold by the commission rate. So, yun yung commission rate. Then, yung commission is earned outputted. And then, finally, yung main function natin, magre-return siya to indicate the successful execution of the program. So, ito na yung code natin. At sa code na ito, we're going to declare the constant conversion with the value 1.467, and after getting the input of miles per hour, ika-calculate natin yung corresponding feet per second by multiplying the input by the conversion constant. Then finally, makukuha na natin yung result. That would be all. Thank you for watching.